Unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard all of the craziness that's going on with Navy Fed. In this video, I'm going to show you a bank that's 10 times better than Navy Fed to get your business funded without any of the nonsense. So let's head over to my computer and break everything down. All right, we are at my computer, and like I was saying, Navy Fed, they've been having a lot of drama going on. I know you guys have seen it. You know, for the people that want to stay with Navy Fed, totally fine. That they still are a good funding option as far as business funding is concerned. But again, if what happened kind of turned you off a bit, I want to give you a bank that, in my opinion, is going to be really good. They've been really good. I feel like people aren't talking about them anymore when they first came on the scene. So the bank I'm talking about is Truist. Ladies and gentlemen, this bank got really hot when they did the merger, kind of rebranded into what it is today. Obviously, you definitely, as you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, you always want to go ahead and get a business bank account. That's the first step in this process. Now, if you want to go ahead and you know, take it to the next level, go ahead and, if you can, deposit anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 in this account when you do it. And you want to wait at least 90 days before applying for anything, because anything before that is not going to really affect, you're not going to give it enough time for the bank rating to increase in the internal algorithm of that bank. So you want to make sure you do that deposit when you open the account, and then you got to let it sit for 90 days if you're trying to increase your bank rating to get those higher approval limits. All right. But as far as the business checking accounts are concerned, they got a couple different ones. I always recommend going with the cheapest option for most people, unless you have different processing needs, or, you know, you do more monthly transactions, things like that. Then obviously you want to go up to one of these other different higher tiers of checking accounts that they have. But for most people, the Truist Simple Business checking account is plenty fine. Now let's get into the business credit cards. These are, again, some of the best business credit cards on the market. They have some rewards, they have some without rewards, but I always tell people the Truist Business, this is the best one to go after. It has that 0% interest period for 12 months at the making of this video. It doesn't have any rewards or anything like that, but you are getting that 0% interest period for 12 months. Some of these other ones are good as well. The Truist Business Cash Rewards is a popular one because you are getting those rewards, but you're sacrificing 3 months on the 0% interest period, going from 12 months to 9 months. So that's something you can look into and can consider. And if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. And then I do want to talk about the line of credit. This is a fan favorite. Everybody loves a line of credit, and they do have the option to do that. So it's really kind of dependent upon which branch and which state that you're in. Sometimes they will ask for 2 years tax returns. In a lot of situations, it really just depends on the branch in the state, so it's kind of hit or miss on that. So but typically, you know, you can get it sometimes no docs if you're under about 30K that you're asking for. You know, I'd say 20 to 30K. Sometimes you can get it without docs, but again, it really just depends. But they do have a line of credit. They have term loans as well. They have some SBA products. Really, Truist, again, they're well rounded, and it's not too hard to get in there, get everything set up, and get your business funded. If you know you're kind of needing that, you know, anywhere from that 30, 50, 80K range, you can definitely get it from Truist if you know how to go in there and do these things the right way, for sure. And even on the personal side, they have a lot of good options. You know, having a checking account, even on the credit card side, they have a lot of great credit cards, 0% interest credit cards, cards with, you know, rewards and things of that nature. So you're really covered all the way around if you want to just go in for business funding and do that. But if you want to build a relationship on the personal and the business side, they have, you know, great interest rates on mortgages, car loans, you name it. Truist does have it. So again, if you're looking to kind of transition from Navy Fed after everything that's happened with them, this is the bank I definitely would recommend if you are in the region for Truist, because again, they're going to accommodate your business needs, but they're also going to accommodate the personal needs and have you squared away on that end as well. If you're a business owner and you have at least a 680 credit score and you're kind of tired of the guesswork, you're trying to figure out which banks to go to get funding, and you know you want a proven, guaranteed system to kind of help you do this, go ahead and click the link that you see in the description. You'll have the opportunity to book a call with us. us. We'll get on that call, see where you're at right now with your business, see what type of funding that you need, and see if it makes sense for us to partner together and use our system to get your business funded. We do guarantee funding in 30 days or less, so that will be an option for you if you choose to go ahead and hop on that call. Okay, again, if you want to do that, go ahead and click the link that you see in the description and then get to the calendar. You could be able to book a call on a calendar from there. Now, if you want to see exactly how to get your business funded from A to Z in 2024, go ahead and click this video right here. It's going to show you exactly, again, A to Z, what you need to do and what's going to be required of you in 2024 as far as underwriting is concerned to get your business funded. So click that video and I'll see you in that one.